Hi, in this video, I will talk about a project named AirBNB Data Management Project. So first of all, we are extracting the data using the CyberDuck. CyberDuck is an open source client for cloud storage, and we are using Amazon S3 containers for this project. In this Word file, there is a documentation which tells us how to install the CyberDuck. So this is basically the directory of this project named forward tool property, CyberDuck installations and instructions. So first of all, we have to open this instructions, and it will say that we have to follow the instructions of first property folder and then the forward tool. So we will go to property folder, and here you can see that we again have instructions for this. So these are the required libraries which we are using inside the Python code, that is pandas, globe and os. So first of all, we will download the property files from the cyberduck in this input folder, and then this was and then master file, we are using the existing property files which we used earlier, and in the output folder the new master file will be generated. So in cmd we have to run this code, that is property.py. Basically this code will uh, read the files from the input folder and pre-process it and manipulate it to and it will generate a new file for us which we require, and in this output folder. So we uh, copy this file from the output folder and put this file into our master file folder and rename it to in this format. For example, here is the master file till the 19th August. So in similar format, today is 20. If we download the input files for the 20 and run the code, it will generate the output for the 20th August, and we will rename it into the 20 August here. Now, second thing, we will go to this forward tool. Now we will copy that file that we have created in the property file into this up property file folder. And now we have to download the forward files from the cybertech only into this input folder. And this is the unfiltered for file which will be generated. So basically forward file is the mixture of the property file and and the forward file that we are downloading from the internet, that is the cyberduck. So we have to run this code, that is forward.py. It will basically read the file from the input property file and unfiltered for file, and manipulate the data and will generate an output for us, and the output will shown in this directory, that is output. At the end of the each week, we have to run this code, that is deliverable forward.py. It will create a new output file for us which we have to generate, which we have to give to the project client that gave us this project. So in this deliver folder, we are keeping a backup of the files that we are generating every week. For example, here is the file of 19th August named forward master, and in unfiltered for also we are making a backup of the file so that we can continue from at any time in the past if we get stuck. So I will show you the how the code looks like. So this is the code for the property file that I showed you earlier. Like we are importing files, reading property files input, grouping the data and so on. We are generating this property master file. So this is the all code for that. Now move on to the forward file. I will show you how the code looks like. So this is the code for the forward file which we have created, as you can see in this. And these are the instructions, like say step by step, that we have to follow in order to run this code and generate the output files that we need. So this was all about this project. Uh, and my name is Raghav Bansal. Overall, my experience at Blackcoffer was really amazing. I got chance to work on some really good projects which taught me a lot of new things. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much.